Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the day 24 of FSSI daily quiz, which is as per the new pattern of the examination. So if you haven't watched the previous 23 videos, you can go to the playlist in my channel because I've created a separate playlist known as FSSI quiz. From there you can get access to the all the previous quiz. Also the PDF format will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. So you can join the Telegram channel and get the PDF format. So, and one more thing, I have started a computer aptitude classes, which is very much important for all the banking examinations, where compulsory 15 to 20 marks will be asked. So, if you are in the field of banking examination aspirants, so you can check out the video and watch the video for the various examinations. So, with that, now let us begin the today's class. So this class will be completely based on ministries. So let us see what kind of questions are there. Standards on Weight and Measurements Act of 1976 comes under. So this is a very important question because you can see there are various options, but it is quite confusing. Like Standards on Weights and Measurements Act comes under which ministry? So under department. So if you see, the answer is Department of Consumer Affairs of Government of India. So the ministry is also Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So please remember that. So the Weight and Measurements Act will come under Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India, and the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. There can be confusion between Department of Legal Metrology, but this is with measurements. But the question is Weights and Measurements Act, a specific act under which department? So please don't get confused with respect to legal metrology and also with the consumer affairs. Okay. Agmark Act comes under which ministry? Sorry, which department? So the ministry is, as usual, Ministry of Agriculture. But to know the department, we need to see now. So Department of Consumer Affairs, as discussed previously, it comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So this can be eliminated. Department of Legal Metrology can also be eliminated. So you are having doubts among these two options. Now let us see how can we say which of the following is correct. So if we see among these two options, so Agmark is with respect to agriculture itself. So if you see the option which is having which can be seen in the form in the perception of agriculture is Department of Agriculture and Cooperation. So this is the answer under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So under this ministry, the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation takes care of Agmark Act of 1937. Okay. Bureau of Indian Standards comes under which department? After seeing this, BIS is in news because of recently Government of India had made mandatory hallmarking. So please remember this with respect to BIS. So BIS comes under Department of Consumer Affairs, same. So as discussed previously, the BIS also comes under Department of Consumer Affairs. So to know the history and concepts related to BIS, you can watch my previous videos. Agencies involved behind plant quarantine regulation of import into India order 2003 comes under. If you see here, it is with respect to plants. Okay, so Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Food Processing, Agriculture, General Health and Services. So from this, we need to eliminate some of the options. Okay, so if we see, Directorate General of Health Services will never deal with plants, right? So this can be eliminated. So food processing can also be eliminated, but health and family welfare, agriculture. Here we guess agriculture is the correct answer, but still we need to see the option A, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, because there is import of plant materials into India, and also there is a mention of quarantine. So we need to be thorough with the concepts. So here, yes, both of them seem likely to be involved in this order, but the correct answer is Department of Agriculture itself. So Department of Agriculture takes care of all the things with respect to plant quarantine regulation of import into India order 2003. Which of the following states launched the milk price incentive scheme in December 2021? So a milk price incentive was provided from the government of Uttarakhand so that it would benefit the farmers and the cooperative societies in the state of Uttarakhand. Which of the following decided to sign an MOU with Kendriya Sainik Board to support and educate the children of war veterans, ex-servicemen, and war widows? So please remember this. This was in news. So Kendriya Sainik Board was in news, and this will be established. Okay, in some time. So one of the bank among this has partnered with this. So the objective is to educate the children of war veterans. Veterans means who was martyred in the war field, and ex-servicemen also war widows. So the answer is SBI. So SBI is the one who has partnered with this Kendriya Sainik Board to support these people. Okay. Which river basin is associated with Haidarpur wetland? So this is very important. Please remember. So Haidarpur wetland became recently became one more wetland of India. It is present in the state of UP. So after seeing this, you can guess the answer itself. So Brahmaputra is in Assam, Indus is in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh region, and Godavari is in south, that is in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi. Mahanadi is with respect to Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So the only answer is Ganga. So there can be one more option like Yamuna. So you may get confused between Ganga and Yamuna. Please remember, Haidarpur wetland is situated on the basin of Ganga river and not on Yamuna river. The options were quite easy here to guess since I told the state of Haidarpur, but still remember this. Okay. Which South American country recently approved a law allowing same-sex marriage? So one among the countries here allowed allowing of same-sex marriage. So the answer is Chile. Chile was the country which approved a law allowing same-sex marriage. So in India, in 2 to 3 years back, there was also huge news regarding this same-sex marriage with respect to Article 377. So please remember this. India has not legalized. Okay, not legalized. But the thing is, Supreme Court gave an order in Navjot Singh versus Union of India case. Okay, in this case, it said it will not criminalize for people having people of same-sex marriage. Okay, so it is still not yet legalized in India, but Supreme Court gave an order that there won't be any offenses among the people of same-sex people having marriage. Okay, so this is the importance news that you need to know. So recently, the South American country Chile legalized the same-sex marriage. So please remember that this can be a question since it was in current affairs. Who was Google's most searched for personality in India 2021? So the answer would be Neeraj Chopra. So Neeraj Chopra was the one who was most searched in Google 2021. So these were the today's question, guys. So if you like my video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.